Hey everybody, my name is John. I'm at Arete Auto Salon, and today we are starting a PPF replacement job on a Jaguar F Pace. Had some wood dropped on the hood, which was fully wrapped in PPF, scuffed up the film, but we're going to do a detail on it, replace the film, see how much the PPF saved on this vehicle, and hopefully it turns out well. So here is the car, beautiful green Jaguar F Pace, and the spot on the hood, right up in here, you can see it tore the film in two places. Yeah, here we go. You can see the two different tears in the film. I don't think that there's any damage underneath the PPF, but it really took a nice chunk out of it. You can see it's kind of loose in there. But we're going to be pulling this whole film off. The whole hood is wrapped, and we're going to be rewrapping it. The rest of the film still looks pretty darn good. I think we wrapped this a couple of years ago now. But we'll be able to see what sort of repair we can do. Alright, so let's go take a look at the PPF on this Jaguar F Pace now that it's all wrapped up. Car's been polished, give it a full detail. We haven't seen this car in a couple years, but it's still looking good. And yeah, love this green, And here's the film. We'll take a closer look at that in a second. Sweet little Harley over there. Yeah, let's dive in. As you can see here, the film has been replaced. So, this is why we get PPF. Yeah, I f***ing love these cars, man. At least green over tan ones. If this was like a dark brown interior, it would be even better.